he was no Kokofu amanyuku no na watwi mu no enko na wie no nze abato no baso den and doctor ewufia Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu na papa yi me ame wofa na ohwe ne dibre ne ngumasua ba bia wafa odi abedru on the career mu a ene o contest for Ashanti regional chairman na ehun nsem ni nyina no anope yebedi nkomo ene ne efri mu ba nyina osanso ewo onse ne doctorate no PhD in environmental science Institute of Environment and Sanitation Studies University of Ghana 2021 enti eba abode mu nyansa pe sciences no ne ade no a nimdie no ewo soropa ye in fact oil and gas na fin sukra no national security law and practice wesua de pa mekika bomu abeye nkono de mra no kra so wase sua ebeye duo hu ibisa kan kra no a ene manya anka ho hey doctor anwade LLB ni adi nyina mra no wodi bebia jese Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu of Amache.
Major Sobru Bema.
Bibia Bokodia.
Atomen Pai Boniti.
A dog crop on Sepa. Aquaban. So, it's the first time I share face to face. I wore a Nhyira studios by Akasa phone. So, Yakasa Sube Bray. But, Obey near Dinko Mokakra. And why Openia Wakoshe. Ye potemu bambo e ho nsem so I mean environmental protection eni ade nyina no wadi mu adwuma kakra ye nhwe se ye nuane a yedi wo kromu hai abode mu nyansa pemu no unimdie mu no ade ndi ne yeku ye ho sese die ne wo se ye quickly
mama matiefo ne ahwefo nyina chia no pay your santima mu de na santima ira tekokoso ne sante hema na ye cha chia bienu.
Right.
A party for New Patriotic Party.
Yeah.
For ni Obibia. Mchepi and I chairman want to me Brishe boy.
Right.
Na a man for Tiasia send away. You go so a Eshemra Quemu, na Quam Pebia, Obitimi and Yanafa Hudians. Obian cannot command near.
Yeah.
Topic are more a very, very good. Here pa mredu sese yede bia da ne ye politics ne achinyegye bebre ne mom ye de adwene ko yasetena mu ne abrabom nsem winim organic food
aduane a yemfa enuro enfrafra ye no
ana aduane a eno so ye de nuro ne ne afrafra asase enom ne ade eti impempi no na ebane se yase modernized agriculture that ya kase mechanized agriculture
na be fukuayo no
right emusu atra ana dia betu be dia yetu ti ama eniha ene akwadro ahyeyema
okay
omanti ase no se ukuani sora no pa no hwe benkum hwe nifa no pegya ne tiri ehweso a onimse nsuo no begugu
right
nti so tu adamon bia o de be hyase so ye nimfu onim bra esese ogu na ba ana onim twabre na sase bedie na eda ho no atise bibia eno nso etimisa ye friend depletion nuane wodo ewo mu a eboa man no bae nyine no eno no etimi sa ana etimi kofo
okay
enti so pesa asase no koso na eye bedie na eye adwuma de boa wa wo niema mienu a obeye baako ye friend no human intervention
okay
onipa ye ni adwempo mu no ne a ye de beka ho ebeye eno na kofa fertilizer semba
okay
nitrogen phosphorus potassium titru and the entire friend NPK. Ada niema kahu bi kahu bi ammonia. Yede egu asase no mu na ma asase na bedie no asan peja bi. Na saa niema no ye wonu nsusu emu ahodo mienu. Baako e friend no organic fertilizer.
Right.
Na baako nso ye inorganic fertilizer.
Right.
Inorganic fertilizer na ye ne yakeka nru no mahudu abomu na yade yadwena ye at the science production enti Who no and then nipana we hear say we are assassi no.
Yeah.
Who choice. So better organic fertilizer.
Right.
And now say we be what the inorganic fertilizer na be. Organic fertilizer ni bi ni manure. Nkukwa janai.
Yeah.
Na mpie no majanai. We mo anu majanai.
Ponche no ni ade.
And now say ya ye fie wure nyina wie no. Enema epro a ye.
Okay.
No ne friend composting.
Right.
Timi man pro na frasa ase na no so I didn't know from eba wasase no. Na man no baye eba.
Right.
Na esan sikanibre ntino. Ene temper ye pe ntino yakwati afri oba ade bobre nhihye ho a na use organic fertilizer ana say composting ana bibia.
Right.
Nti ye de adwena kusi inorganic fertilizers. Na no so ya ade aye na manone China no mu ni India ne ama ahodos. Nti ye karisika ne de akwa aba.
Yeah, they are big.
Yeah, they are big. Yeah, they are big. Mfudie so. Yes,
yeah.
Na no. Hwemu da na di pepe se. Why na dwuma wie kura wa ma asase na from. Na chi no, the side effect no. Eno so ma asase na ba we. Eno so emo. Na awuduro se nura ye de ye sa na me. Awuduro ni ade bebre wo.
Right.
Na no ana se wa nhwe ni ya na eko mfudie mu. No kra na eno so kese. Na emum se ye control wira. Ye do asase no. Na mo anso so a eko esei mfudie no.
Yeah.
Ye pese ye bo mfudie no ho ban from mo ano. Na ye apply their friend insecticide and now pesticide. Na de ye be do no so ye no na afre weedicide. Nti eno no udi gu wira so na ahye.
Na se bibia ko ye dure.
Nti pendodo na ye sa nyina na ye obi economy ye.
Onu unye sika.
Se ye de dollar na koto. Ye de aba.
Okay.
Nti wo ye onu na economy ye na wi a aba be sei wan kasa won so mfudie de na sa nure nyina ekom.
Right.
Na akwa akodi ye nya e wa aduane a ye die mu. Eno no kura na chi no. Ya na muntuo bi wo nwuma hodo bi te se mining. Illegal mining no.
Yeah.
Ye wo nura hodo a ye de ye mining pe gold no.
Aitimi nso ekoye mfudie no.
Be the cyanide.
Mercury no
ne de kekeka. Ani nyina akoye mfudie mu. Enti ihwehwemu da di pefe.
Right.
Se ne aye ko ni se sa ne be ko na. Mfie kakra bi edi animu na. Ade wo ha bebre papa.
Wow.
Ade wo ha already wo ha no wo. Ye boom den our health bill. Your health bill. Ekosoro. O nyare kra na wawu. O na ehihye wo ho. Na ewu ni panu.
Ona mo anu we
no me office me yekoye lead test.
Lead test.
Okay. Ni pamoja.
Right.
If you say safo no omuye battery dada ho adwuma. No mususu. Kwe chese quantity no.
Egura omu ni peduam.
Ana me scientist no me pese me di figures bi beto abontin a me nye too sure. Another type me to ma ba wie na me kunu kwa wie na me so ama hincha
you been extensive time for that.
Yes, sure. No based on facts and data information near the aye proper education in church papa ama ye ho me my sister said I can example only
me Martini din but me nim no in person but
Martini there be one to nabai
I'm to nabai so maybe ananka me can say there is a reincarnation
any ever to nabai
right
to do be operation feed yourself enti o backyard
na wa yefu ka
ya tie no wa yefu na wa unya adoa tomato na what kokokra no wa ye wa ade no mnenam compound
sure so you benya time kakra emze ne no bre no kakra you benya time ne ya hwe because of knowledge no ezi wa me ehu no ma kakra kakra bi esi ye hwe no nsuom and I believe that benimfo so be fa atwa sum no ma ye kraba no obi so aka the same thing before you came and I think it's something they need to take care of but quickly on aspiration to become the chairman of the party in the Ashanti region obi anim say chairmanship position was something that nanka engrofobi ayi omuti kra da na chairman Kokofu ye na dwen senka ahakra de wo mpe enko ko national edi nti na wasa aba Ashanti region. It's been a discussion on the floor right now e binu esu ebisa chairman Kokofu edi ene wahu a opese Ashanti region obabaye chairman for the political party NPP.
So I am a politician now Ashanti region.
Yeah.
Polling station chairman.
Yeah.
Electoral area coordinator. Bantama chairman.
Bantama chairman.
2 terms.
Yeah.
I am assemblyman or KMA. I am Ashanti Regional Reconciliation Committee secretary. Ashanti Regional Finance Committee chairman. Ashanti Regional Elections Committee secretary.
Hey.
Makasa my party no region and national for 25 good years.
Wow.
So OBC Wintem da ben. OBC mu 4 years. That time I'm a police station executive chairman. Now how many years back? How many years back? 4 years ago, near paid regional chairman. Even this year, 2026, January, near paid regional chairman. Yes, I see a paid regional chairman. Only last month, I be nominations. So wow, what paper? Pese, ujina for position beyond the number forms, nomination forms. Now, Jia go fail it. Na fabra, what the bar now are converting and penny due to ma. That is when you become a candidate. 4 years ago, necessary is because. No, we must situate it. Any party administration running. We don't think about those things. 4 years ago, no be a administration. And he said, no, be what be say, or person regional chairman. Then now sabotage said the panel. No, did not say, Sebeya. So what you see our Juma out to me. Now, me quab now, me say 4 years ago, me person me do with me. Into the obey biana me do who can consult Crawford now, penny for Sebeya, who be he near Pamwa free on a me bet now. Is it proper?
No.
Me poor Juma, then I'm in train. That wow, Pimuso resign, and I do my Rasija Juman. Me declare opposition in vacant.
Yeah.
I feel number show interest.
Sure.
That's what it ought to be. Matisa Kasani baby 4 years ago near president.
No more crese utimu kakrano so say now we interest and Kasa was to go to the national and steer their affairs.
But let us deal with the for so called 4 years. What was it?
Yes, sure.
Say it is even not tenable. 4 years ago, now what it actually wouldn't amasia nukunuku. I will be tiakunyaso. It's instability in the problems and the world region. Young fan is 4 years ago. Some near man cost divisions in the banana.
So be subeka say BC will be here and the quantity. And it is obi any was to say, obedi to me be or shall see a pray. Kakranka kre free asie o menyame ko no nkakra kra ti breni duru wa o hwa asie bros winter one when ye ko ti breni duru open na say won
enti na make ka just say na ye Canada ye di ma fa dia ene ye ka chichide na fa before can because me say polling station 1992 me a founding member of the party of Germany let me free her by fee by me native bantama na be a polling station chairman. That time I graduated, I decided to be a polling station executive.
Okay.
What I say? I decided to be electoral area coordinator. For leadership.
If you see.
Yes, of course. So that argument in the superiority of what? And they say, why not shall see a free form?
At the buy. Because now, before 2024 elections, no crowd no more boarding. Oh, Chairman Kokofu, the way I experience it in the year, Omuti as a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia pursue boarding and Kaya running mate. And even currently, I only mooding crana say, man for crack, I can say, any and right, Binya crab boarding, a running mate. But why living all those aspirations in India, Bono? Actually, to come to Ashanti region because as a profile, they said you almost show no, was sort of saying Kexel Koya running meeting cry. And yes, you are saying,
and you are Kenya. So about it, say your body in the positive side. If you would to say, Kwamaku Kofi capable
to be a running mate, the Omaka,
and to be a general secretary,
sure,
and to be everything bigger. Yes, sir. Now, I didn't know all perform. For a friend is a regional chairman. Yeradi Yesu Christo. ɛsɛ kɔ kasoro a onyame ba a hwi hia no
okay
ɔbɛpɛ deɛ wɔ asase so ama onipa da sɛni abɛdi n'ani abɛyɛ na yakayaka
okay
sɛni nya yɛ Christ ɔbɛpɛ deɛ wa yasase so ha bɔne asase so Yesu kɔ bɛpɛ deɛ but me no mienu ako agye nkwagye enti ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde ne ho bɔ afɔre sɛ kyerɛ naka onyame yi ne dɔba kropɛ no man sɛ bɛyɛ a me no agyidifo so yɛ gyidi ni so ɔgye Christ
yeah me call Assemblies of God
so ɔgye Christ
me gyidi
ka betu no fuso ko onka soro heaven ho no ni na hini ho ontena agya ni nsa nifa so mo ma asase so ka betu no fuso but se be ya atwero ne bebe mu nti ese se opaw ne ho achi na oba na obeye ni party bia te se me no bre ne ho ase ene ye tena na ma ye nkyerɛkyerɛ se be ya ye be nam no so be kɔ hinwa nanim
okay
enti kwamra kokofu the same vein ɛsɛ sɛ me brɛ me ho ase me ho masua me nyina so me bibia mu no ɛsɛ sɛ me nya ahobrɛaseɛ ho na me ba from me native Ashanti region party na is suffering nationwide but Ashanti region key enti sɛ yɛpɛ obi a onim party no mmerɛboɔ ne ne bibia wɔ Ashanti region mu a wokwati kwamra kokofu enye
but why finance
enti obi say chairman ɛsɛ sɛ nka yɛ ne a ana yɛ bocho boy na de apakan bɛfa osim na ka yɛbae si chairman yɛ regional chairman no man yɛ pauchew obi a obetumi akɔsoro ayɛ akɔsoro
but Ashanti region enye easy say wuchie Paul Afoko say unim ne openi Paul Afoko unim ne pa former chairman Osanso Pribie mo say Ashanti region very delicate because now they are facing a youth as a minister or yes strong or pulling a lot of youth in the side and then aye hu am MPP wa Ashanti region is it not a serious threat to you say obeba no ebeye din te se kan no bim.
Oh, bad name, be intellectual exercise.
Okay.
On one side. Yes, so a doctor. Yes, sir. No, the doctor, the one who suffered.
Dr. Frank Amwakwini.
Who shall make Kokofu there?
Dr. Henry.
Would that be Doctor education profile?
I PhD. Doctor of Laws. Also PhD Environmental Science, Doctor of Laws, LLD, LLM, Oil and Gas Law, National Security, Master Class Certificate Leadership and Management Singapore. MSc Defense and International Politics, Ghana Armed Forces Commander and Staff College. Security now.
Go on.
MSc Agroforestry, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, 2004. Be a barrister at law, Ghana School of Law, 2013. LLB Bachelor of Laws, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. It is from BSc Natural Resources Management, Kwame Nkrumah University. Makumako 10.
This is so more original minister. No, also the doctor.
Medical doctor. No, sounds laboratory. Sciences.
Into law doctor.
Doctor of laboratory.
Environmental science doctor. What do you say?
Okay.
And sana lawyer. And your lawyer say lawyer with masters in oil and gas law. National security law and practice.
But Utie Paul Afoko, and the end was that the guy Utie he has social media influence a lot of things.
The issue is a person say NDC for the regional minister be or certain pedigree.
Attraction, not
attraction. Yes, I have yes, and I'll mention doctor. And I want us to deal with that academic intellectual discourse. Into BPI MPP the neighbor must necessarily compete on that score. And now
okay, I get it.
We are near the other segment. Don't rush.
Okay.
No. Uti asese Kokofu beating on that score.
academically.
Yes, of course.
Yes,
of course. And then let's go to experience. Brabomo and politics experience. You may read my profile there. You take time and trouble. Gone through all that. And then my represent Ghana and Africa. Our United Nations Forum. I have shared a platform with Obama and Kinshasa. UNFCCC, COP, when my dear friend COP, COP 26, Committee of Parties, climate change.
Right.
Yes, our Glasgow, Scotland, at that level. International exposure. Former producer, and now I can talk about
social media.
And now I can talk about
former producer. And but quickly.
Then again, so about profiling or meme will be to start with. And Abrabo. Yes, of course.
Right.
Se ubenya nyinaso na betiti dipa no beso dipa no te se that the lumba no sa no mababe icons legends. He has not that record. O mehu bio me wo ma me ankasa me ma 11 omu age ede no ye penny ade ti uko youthful me ma de me ma they are more youthful than him.
But they are looking at him.
Oh, of course, that's my produce. And the attraction youth no woman na make it.
The man side about.
As I speak with you.
Wow.
They look up to me. Me man be a medical doctors, lawyers, one economists, and the youth of today, our Ashanti region, they look at Kokofu in academic achievement. They say me percent me yet to step up. Do you know how many of them are mentoring? As we speak today, here Singapore, leadership and management. They were leadership academy.
Yeah.
Are picking them young from 15, 16, 17 years upwards. Leadership academy. Youth, attraction to the youth. What do you say? Now, social media.
Influence no as to attraction to the youth and that's why you say share population no more at for abanwa youth no make up majority and attraction no
MPP here will be obey or then about compete your social media
the new media.
Oh my MPP regional chairmanship we should pick somebody or then about compete with the new media.
That's another medium of communication or attraction.
Maybe so. Say, where people here, regional chairman, to TikTok that on or they on computer with Amakwino.
But it's a medium of communication.
The answer is no. But who does communication more than Kokofu?
Okay.
I've done it for 25 years. Now, Minu Kasas is here. Who project two of Facebook? And these are who project two of media and your social media. Are they not listening to me? Are they not watching me? So what is it? So how the old crowd are no assassin because the records are available. What is a Kokofu akasa na no from that? What is what did you be attempt that? For the past 25 years. And in all faculties, say NDC regional minister out there you stick there, and you've gotten it all wrong, and why you compare money because my opponent can't match him,
right?
In any way, not on academic level, not on then communication, no.
Following
then. Say following now you are following me. Everybody is following me. And people
Dr. Henry
Bantama constituency. You two are baby ye Obiazo, you check Florida Boost, you check. The whole Ghana had been following me.
But another concern is what be finance committee chairman.
Yeah.
Now Mona Mojiji emotion penifo some will be an Mojiji Skadeboa party in Ashanti region.
Yes.
Man focus you did a great work. But then party office. Why to me cry a befitting party office to complete for the party where Ashanti region bit me I say proud of. Why?
because situated the time and I be a finance committee chairman.
Okay.
Yeah, now your opposition. The idea was I see a solicitor for funds. Now it me back. We needed resources. That was my assignment then. Okay. Under Chairman Robert Yawamanko administration.
Yeah.
And we did it just like that and got it done. Need to be the bar. You getting me? So we achieved our aim. Subsequently, the powerful from bar seen. And let me tell you, Kokofu regional office number a serious issue. Regional office, me a chairman of Bantama, let me host to Ashanti regional office. Oh, Bantama. So ya way. Obi I away now. Regime here always is here by no omu decide say omu the regional office no be call ofori krum. Na krum. Na ye to edan. Nti ye na ye wo Bantama ne ade de na ebetimi aye. Ya host to a unisa office ni say ye de call krum. Ana ekoye. Ekoye na chi no de betia ne say ye say asase. Ekoje asase. Nti ya te committee regional chairman at the committee. A committee ni na nhwe na anyi gisika na emwa na NC office. Hallelujah. Nti omu ye launch no me ko hobi. Na me a member of parliament. Me tua sika ni bi. Ya cement ni afufuro tua. Ya ntimi ansi besi na ye ni bi. Nti wo pese obusa question. Committee members no na ye hwan ne hwan. Wapo modern ahwem.
Na ye hwan.
Wabo modern. Wabo modern.
What time no? Ena me dey my reference why you couldn't do it. It is our reason na him for a bath next hour.
Me time your new office and free you near office. Say you be fitting on you be fitting on you will be.
Yes, be fitting office.
No, you be fitting the floor. There your office.
Na mo hire na party na dia.
Ya the chair.
Okay.
Ni ntuaka a free of charge. A free one decide say ope MPP out to the extension free of charge. Light bill ni ade and another Bantama constituency ye tuaka. Ana ye free o. Eti ye free horo. Won a omsu omu CBN no. Committee no na ye hwan ne hwan. Omu ane. Omu ye campaign. No mu pe position regional chairman. Now you talk about the man obesi party office. He was the chairman of the committee. Well, as I make over me do the I'm saying don't go there. Where slippery. But walk on. So we will stay there.
At the party office now.
Yes, you know. And will the SSC Busano. If you take time and trouble, get a committee, they are not chair committee, no Busano.
On a nature committee.
Coca. Unim Kwazinti, Chairman Kwazinti, no a member of the committee. Anti-committee members, anti-me, CCA, Messi and Twabamani. My arrangements with MP for Bantama will see office Cassia Palma Bantama constituency. And I Odibi crowd to meeting. What I say, and then I arrangement. My regional chairman temporarily. You move the regional office back to Bantama.
What the regional office back to Bantama? Back
to Bantama, temporarily.
Okay.
Now, I have cited documents and information. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia's office.
Okay.
Headed by Honorable Collins team.
Okay.
Former MP.
Okay.
Our drawings, complex office for Ashanti region, drawings, everything is in place.
Okay.
Program say imminent 35 to 40 Ghanaians are origin from Ashanti region. They are prepared to come on board.
Okay.
It in the regional chairman, we will have a first homecoming conference.
Okay.
Top on the agenda, unity for the party in the region. The second one, building regional party office complex.
Okay.
And others follow. And yebesi party regional office. And me see.
Okay.
We don't want me. We want yen. Wow. So the arrangement is already there. It is a party office in Niho. Ni antini ansia. Mr. Hwehwe was so more answer question.
Right. Breno ayebe, but in just 30 seconds, additional to apart from the obo a cardinal ufin so be chairman ubetumi achieve for the MPP
a youth mobilization.
Okay,
we have it. The details of it, me can't necessarily cast but I'm meeting party delegates. They meet on the departmental levels.
Okay,
the youth and then women friend is groups,
Okay,
yes. But most important, unity. Bringing people together. Papaya or MPP need mappa. At a point in time, running for
Jataba.
A Drew Baby no a buffone, Kumobi Uncle Yenti.
So, grab a reconciliation secretary.
I wouldn't mean I doubt it. What is a Brazoka? It is a famous Wamena crisis. I resolved it.
Okay.
It make unity as a mighty Jatabane or sister Ninu Penny, maybe original chairman.
Yeah.
Or the Nadia go for.
Obe joining.
While joining now, or the Afro so bad. Ramo Unimubia, while Habia and Mubia and the Bufu or Cotton chair from a number man. Nafuni as a number, mammy. Change original chairman.
Wow.
I'm calling them with BBB.
Okay.
Bambata Grandin is Quabra, Minia, Quabraji. A Bayan Crofon, say Kokofu, original chairman, champion man, Quabraji.
All right. Thank you, Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, and the energy. Jataba, is it why you have to walk back?
Oh, yes. Baby, a party, new patriotic party. A here leader, not just a chairman.
Okay.
Because party no baby I almost do here now. They say as I reverse back. Look at the number of parliamentary seats echo back. No. Me GD say a dumra ye here leader be a bit me organize party no.
Okay.
Now I see that leadership in Chairman Kokofu.
Right.
Because all inclusive. Obabeye regional chairman.
Yeah. And
I'm very optimistic. Right. Saturday, he's the next Ashanti regional chairman.
All right.
He will bring everyone on board.
Okay.
And to delegate they should all vote and canvass for chairman.
Music in the way.
Thank you very much. Okay. And your family.
Yeah, the Bible.
Mate.
Who can kind?
Mate, but I say, Dr. Henry Kwabena Kokofu, at the end of the train, come on,